Hi guys, it's NoFlex. Today we are right here at White Noise.
White Noise.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start. Let's do a random location. Yeah, I get to be a ghost. Cause I clicked ghost. Sit down, boy. You don't have to be standing up. I know you're gonna run like hell, but might have found the first recorder. I'm Sarah. I'm Siri. Okay, but there's no time to make a fuss about who you are. Even though I'm a guy, and I feel offended from that. Okay. Dang it, why'd my car break down? I swear to God, why'd my car break down? Dang. Why'd my car break down, though? I missed my car. Why couldn't it stay till daylight?
Sorry, your car messed up.
I know my car messed up. Oh, it's a fog, it's a fog, it's a fog. I'll go into the fog. Usually scientists would say not to look in the fog, but I call them dead wrong. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Look at those graphics. Oh my god. Oh my god, those graphics though. Oh my god. Screw this. Flashlights off. I ain't no bitch. I ain't your bitch. What the fucking hell? What the fuck? The fuck is wrong with this person? The fucking pervert from hell. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Can I walk in the water? That booty talking to what the shit say. They're talking to the booty that say. Oh wow, that makes me feel a whole lot better. Fucking hands reaching out the fucking ground. Fuck off, fuck off. Fuck off, fuck off. Fuck the fuck off. Okay, that's how you fuck them off. Fuck off. Tell me to what that your shit say. Why do I sound like a fucking guy whenever it's a girl I'm playing as? Wow. Penis. That's a penis. Found my penis rock. See guys, y'all ask what my penis looks like. This is what it looks like. All big and moldly. No, I'm fucking with y'all. Why would I tell you what my penis looks like? No. Oh, I fucking heard that, you fucker. I fucking saw you, you fucker. Fuck off.
That went out.
Sure bet that little Jake never know what could be around you these days. Okay, nothing behind me. I'm scared as hell. Maybe if I become one with the bush. Oh. Found the sewage plant. What the fuck? Look at that. Oh my god. My god. So much graphics. I don't think you can handle this. I don't think you can load this up in your in your fucking videos.
You call.
So, oh my. Is this really supposed to scare me? This is my favorite hand. Wait. Yeah, that's my right hand. Yeah. See, my favorite hand is that hand. Ah! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck. Oh my fucking god, it scared me. Cock bitch. Cock fucking bastard. Cock fucking bitch. Oh. Okay. All you gotta do, fuck off. Oh, there's my penis. My penis rock. And there's my balls.
Chico, you make makeup. You making makeup.
Good job. Good job, Juby. Good job. No. It's okay. No, I can't. I'm videoing still, okay, Juby? I'll come in a minute. I'll come back. Oh, no, I'll come back out in a minute. Okay. Okay. Just. I'll be out in a minute. Shut the door. Okay, good job, Juby. That was my baby sister. She was talking to me. Taught me to me what that she say.
I'm gonna lay right there.
Just gotta keep moving. Fuck you. Oh. There's the teeth. The teeth again. There's the bridge. There's the bridge to life. See guys, this is the bridge to life.
Nope, that take you to...
Oh no, this is the gate. This isn't the gate. I mean, bridge to life. This is the bridge to death. Holy fuck. I mean, ow. Wait, am I supposed to check over here for recording? What of a blow here about? Wait, watch, you'll be inside the grave. I'd fucking do it. Oh, fuck. Courtney, don't scare me like that. Oh my. Nope, just keep running. Why did I disturb your grave? I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
What happened?
I didn't mean to disturb your grave. Please don't kill me. I have a lot to live for. I have a lot to live for. Leave me alone. I haven't even experienced puberty yet. Oh God! Screw you! Jesus Christ! I think he's not behind me anymore. Oh, thank God he's not behind me.
No.
You can't catch me. You can't catch this. You want it, but you never have it. Wait, I think there's a radio over here.
Yeah, he was all pleasant.
Baby sister and my baby, my little brother. Yes. Who are they? Screw you. Screw you, Slender. You can suck my dick. You can't get me, Slender, because you're just God's bitch. I mean, you're not God's bitch. Oh, look, my penis rod. Penis rod? Are you okay, penis rod? Penis rod. Penis rock, are you okay? Are you okay, man? Penis rock. Penis rock. Penis rock. Wait, sit behind me still. Ah! Oh, fuck you, man. Oh, fuck you. Oh, my.
Okay.
I'm not checking behind me. Screw this, I'm running for it.
Go. No.
Okay, he ain't nowhere near. Nowhere near. Oh my god, scariest indie game ever. Jesus Christ, 10 out of 10.
You hear that sound?
Oh my. How do they keep coming? Why'd I ever do to you? Fuck you.
When you come out?
I'm not coming out. Screw that. I'm out. I'm out. Peace. Deuces. Where the hell is he? Where the hell is he?
I don't know.
Get away from my damn recording stand, Courtney. Because if you screw up my recording, I swear to God.
Okay,
I've been scared. He's nowhere to be found. He's nowhere to be found. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Okay, bro. Okay, guys. Ah! Oh my. Sorry. Oh my god. Screw you. Ah! I'm trying. Can't get up. Screw you. Oh, where the hell is he? Where the hell is he? He doesn't. Nobody disappears like that. Nobody just disappears out of the blue. Oh, is that him? Buddy, you need some. Ah! Shut the door, little Joey! Fucking shut it!